Imagine turning a humble £100 into a small fortune. Sound like a dream? With the right knowledge and a dash of courage, it's a possibility that lies within the realm of cryptocurrencies. Today, we delve into the exciting world of digital currencies, unearthing the secrets to making that pound 100 work for you. Cryptocurrencies, with Bitcoin leading the pack, have revolutionized the financial landscape. They're digital or virtual currencies, utilizing cryptography for security, and operate independently of traditional banking systems. This independence, coupled with their potential for high returns, make them a fascinating investment prospect. Before diving headfirst into the crypto pool, conducting thorough research is essential. Evaluating market cap, scrutinizing historical performance, and considering future prospects can provide valuable insights. Remember, knowledge isn't just power, it's potential profit. Now, onto the crux of the matter. The top 5 cryptocurrencies worth considering for your £100 investment. Bitcoin, the original and most renowned cryptocurrency, is a solid choice, with its impressive track record and widespread acceptance. Ethereum, home to smart contracts, follows closely in Bitcoin's footsteps. Ripple, designed for seamless international transactions, Litecoin, offering faster transaction confirmation, and Cardano, known for its scientific approach, are all potential gold mines. Purchasing these cryptocurrencies is a straightforward process. Choose a reliable platform such as Coinbase or Binance. Create an account, verify your identity, and deposit your funds. Next, search for your chosen cryptocurrency, select it, specify the amount you want to buy, and confirm your purchase. Voila, you're now a proud cryptocurrency owner. Cryptocurrency wallets are crucial for managing and storing your digital assets. They come in various forms, from online wallets to hardware ones. Choose a wallet that suits your needs, and remember, security is paramount. The journey doesn't end with the purchase. Keeping track of your investments is vital. Set up alerts, check performance regularly, and understand when to hold and when to sell. Remember, the cryptocurrency market is volatile, so stay informed and stay agile. In summary, turning your £100 into a fortune through cryptocurrency investment is a thrilling possibility. It requires understanding the basics of cryptocurrencies, conducting thorough research, choosing promising cryptocurrencies, purchasing them through a reliable platform, managing them in a secure wallet, and regularly tracking their performance. It's a journey, one filled with opportunities and risks, but with careful planning, that pound 100 could indeed become a fortune. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insightful content, and why not drop a comment below sharing your own cryptocurrency tips or experiences. Remember, the world of cryptocurrencies is vast, and there's always more to learn and share. Until next time, keep exploring and keep investing, and keep